Hello, Lasfit was nice enough to send me a set of floor liners for our daughter's 2015 Mazda CX-5. We had already tried these on my daughter's Toyota Corolla, and we love them so much, and they sent us these to try on the Mazda. So they come in this box. Each mat is individually wrapped. Like this is going to be the second row mat for the back seats. So on the back side they're going to have this grippy material so they don't slide around. And then they have this edge, this lip that sticks up that keeps water and spills and things like that inside your mat and off your carpet. They come nicely formed for that hump in the back seat, and then these are textured so they have some grip to them. And so on the front mats they are folded to fit in the box. And so what I learned in the past was if you just bend them over your arm, they do kind of unbend fairly easily. But one of the tips that they provide is that if you'll just set them out in the sunshine, those folds will kind of work themselves out. So I think we're going to kind of do it enough to get it to relax a little bit so that it's at least trying to go the right way, and then let the sun kind of do some work on them. So this is the driver's side front. Just going to kind of bend it the other way so that when the sun's hitting it, it's going to help relax it. I'm going to do it a little bit more so it doesn't bend back the other way. And then the front seat mats often have these places where things stick up and lock in place, and that's what these are. But we'll show you those better when we do the install. So all we have left is this large one for the hatch or trunk area, and that's where this big one goes, just like that. So we're going to go ahead and bend this, try to bend that the other way a little bit, get it started. Just kind of let the sun do its thing. So you can tell how easily just by bending them they start to flatten out, but then as the sun softens up that grip, it's gonna relax these even more. So we're just gonna let these sit in the sun for a few minutes. Alright, so we've been leaving these in the sun for a while, so they're definitely real soft now because of the sunshine. So we're just going to start putting them in. I think the first one I'll put in will be the driver's side. Okay, so these mats side by side, these are the original carpet mats for a 2015 Mazda CX-5. You can tell how much larger coverage these are going to have as we match up those holes. Look how where your feet go, how much more coverage the Lasfit mats give. And then it's going to put an edge to contain anything in there. So okay, so we're going to put these in, and then on this one they're just plastic cones that go in there. There's nothing to turn or line up or anything. They just kind of pop in on this car. So sometimes you got to twist them, but on these they just pop in. So that's going to keep it from moving. Look at that perfect fit there, how it goes right up against the edge, has the full coverage below the feet. Such a nice improvement for this car. Alright, so this is our passenger side. So yeah, sitting these in the sun really did help with the pliability of the material, because now the sun has them all hot and they just kind of fit right in there, hug all the edges, perfect fit. Those snap in as well. And then the back seat ones don't have any of that. They just lay in on their own. Alright, this is our back seat, one piece that'll drape over the center. So I just kind of stretch that in there and then start to put it down under the front seats. Okay, so we got the back seats in. The only thing that wasn't an absolutely perfect fit was over here on this edge. There was a little gap here, but everything else fit right around all these up there under the seat and everything. And then it's just nice how it covers the center hump and everything. So definitely going to contain everything to the mat, so all the water and everything. So this one shows you what the sunshine does. It's flat, but when I first unpacked it, you know, it was kind of a little rippled in here, and the sunshine just makes it all completely just flat as can be. So you might try that trick after shipping, just to let them sit out in the heat just a little while. So this is for this large back area. So these are real nice because, you know, you put a variety of different things in the back and keeps it all contained. This tucks in perfectly. This is a perfect fit. So all around the edges, and so that's great. So very pleased with how this back piece fits. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'm going to put links in the video description on how you can order these mats for your vehicle, and also how you can get a discount code. So please check that out, and thank you so much for watching.